Imagine waking up each day with a clear mind, fully focused, and completely free from the weight of stress. Sounds too good to be true? Well, what if I told you that achieving this is within your reach? In this video, we'll explore how to focus and reduce stress in your personal life. Welcome back to Motivation Facts Hub channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects millions of people around the world: stress. Did you know that according to the American Psychological Association, over 75% of adults report experiencing moderate to high levels of stress? Many of us feel overwhelmed and distracted in our daily lives, making it hard to enjoy the little things. But don't worry. I'm here to guide you on a journey to reclaim your focus and reduce stress effectively. Let's start with the story of Sarah. Sarah is a marketing executive who, despite wanting to excel at her job and maintain a healthy work-life balance, often felt frazzled and unfocused. Her stress levels were sky-high, affecting her relationships and quality of life. One day, she decided enough was enough. Sarah began incorporating mindfulness practices into her daily routine. Just 10 minutes of meditation each morning helped her cultivate a sense of presence. According to a study published in the journal Health Psychology, mindfulness can decrease stress levels by up to 30%. Imagine what that could mean for you. Next, she tackled her to-do list. Research shows that writing down tasks not only helps prioritize them, but also gives you a sense of control, leading to reduced anxiety. Use a planner or a simple notepad. Jotting down 3 main tasks each day can do wonders for your focus. But one powerful technique Sarah discovered was the Pomodoro technique. By working in focused sprints of 25 minutes followed by a 5-minute break, she found a rhythm that drastically increased her productivity. In fact, studies indicate that this method can boost efficiency by 40% because it allows for focused bursts while preventing burnout. Last but not least, Sarah learned the importance of self-care. Whether it was a walk in nature or indulging in a favorite hobby like painting, she made time for activities that brought her joy. Research has found that engaging in leisure activities can enhance your mood and significantly reduce stress levels. Remember, it's not about eliminating stress completely. Instead, it's about managing it wisely and taking proactive steps to enhance your focus. So, to recap, focusing and reducing stress boils down to implementing mindfulness practices, organizing your tasks, utilizing techniques like the Pomodoro technique, and prioritizing self-care. These small changes can lead to a more balanced and fulfilling life. In our next video, we will explore practical breathing techniques to instantly relieve stress in high-pressure situations. You won't want to miss it. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, your journey toward a focused and stress-free life starts with the first step. Are you ready to take that step? If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell because you don't want to miss the next video. Every episode is designed to give you one actionable fact that can shift your entire day. And here's the truth. Most people watch motivational content, feel energized for a few minutes, and then forget about it. Subscribing ensures you stay consistent, stay accountable, and keep growing with a community that wants the same success you do. So go ahead, subscribe now, join our community, and let's continue this journey together.